So today Danny's at work and I got an email from my mom about chicken tenderloin in the freezer. So I'm gonna try and use the George Foreman grill that she left above the freezer and hopefully make something good. There's no on or off switch. It just turns on once you plug it in. That doesn't even make sense. It's kind of on the side of the ridiculous. Yeah, it's really hot. Oh. Mom said thin slices. I cut it like a sandwich. I'm retarded. How are you supposed to cut this? You know what? Forget it. I'm doing it this way. Or I can cut it down. I can cut it this way. Yay! I know somebody's watching this right now and they're like, Tanner, you're an idiot. You're probably right. Like an imbecile cutting this chicken. Look at that. It almost looks like I planned it that way. 4 pieces of chicken. That's fantastic. I know it says wait 5 minutes, but I waited long enough. I know this isn't what these are for, but I kind of really want to use them. Just to say I did. Oh crap. You're supposed to put oil on the chicken. I feel like you're supposed to have one of those fancy paintbrushes for this, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna kind of roll with this like a normal college kid. I have absolutely no idea what kind of seasoning to put on this. So I'm gonna put some season all, because season all seasons everything. I'm gonna put some Montreal chicken on my chicken, and just to see what it tastes like, I'm gonna put some steak seasoning on here. You know how sometimes you do something and you just feel really incompetent doing it? This is one of those times. I feel like I should be on that TV show, Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? I'd probably lose right now. I'm gonna actually try this out. And I know I'm just gonna look even stupider doing this now. It was kind of funny before, but now there's just no point, but this is better taste good. You know, with all the hassle that I've just been through, I really feel like pulling a prank on Danny. Just doing something stupid. If possible, I think I'm going to try and hook up some confetti to this door. Maybe that'll lighten my mood. And so the George Foreman grill comes in handy. 2 pieces of styrofoam. to be dropped on Daniel's head. Oh crap, he's here. He's gonna know something's up. But I really don't care.
Why did I see that coming?
Why didn't I see that coming?
Is that the next adventure?
Yes. Am I crazy in thinking that's weird that it doesn't have an on and off switch?
Yeah.
This is what it costs to make chicken. Looks tasty. Actually, it really doesn't. It looks like something that I shouldn't mention in front of my mom. I just looked in the book and realized I committed a cardinal sin.
Yeah, what's that?
Never use metal tongs. Whoops.
Oh.
Well, I didn't scratch anything. Just need to clean it off a little more. My chicken actually tastes good. So I'm gonna make a sandwich. And Danny's got macaroni or something. He's making a sandwich too. A macaroni sandwich.
Thinking about it.
Thinking about it.